Hello, today I would like to show you how to utilize an EH260 to utilize for different applications. In this case, we are using the EH260 to control video. And if, for instance, I would like to move shuffle between the previous video and next video, if I do like this, then I go for the previous video. And then if I move to the right side, then I go to the next video, which is quite convenient in many different applications and use cases for that. In other modes that I can also utilize, if I press twice, I can unmute the video. If I press twice again, I actually mute the video again. What other use features which I can use with this little sensor I have here, I can also stop the video and continue the video. So that's quite simple. I just need to shake my hand like this, and then the video is stopped. And then if I shake again, the video resumes as you would expect. This is very handy when you want to, with just motion, you can control videos, but you can think of many different use cases as well. So you can utilize it for quite a lot of things. Thank you.